fans, coming your way this time we have another awesome SpongeBob SquarePants toy. This is a talking SpongeBob action figure and it is Jellyfishin SpongeBob. It comes with lots of funny phrases that you activate by lifting his arm.
I think I got it!
And here is Jellyfishing SpongeBob. This guy is so cool, and he does come with some really awesome phrases which we shall check out in a second. You can see in his net we do get one jellyfish that you can slot into the net, but when you pull his arm back we do get those awesome phrases, so let's try that out now.
Ready, set, go! The one surefire thing to make your best day ever the best day ever. Be the net! I know you're eager, but you don't even have your net. Da-da-da-da-dum. Da-da-da-da-dum. I think I got it. Ready, set, go. Let's go.
You can also fling your jellyfish as well if you pull the net back and let go.
The one surefire thing to make your best day ever the best day ever.
So there it is, an awesome SpongeBob toy with some very cool phrases included. Well, thanks for dropping in, and I will catch you next time here on Toy Review TV.